Oh, welcome back guys. So, jodi a nou pral faire shopping. So nou pral acheter manger, pral acheter de l'eau, pile bagay, nou pral faire maquette. Comprenez? Kon salé déjà et sur nouveau sur channel là. Abonné. OK? So, la fait nous bien soit abonné. So, on faut aller. So, si pas abonné, on va faire vidéo encore. OK? Respect. So, guys, nous allons acheter un pile bagaille, un pile manger, so, un pile manger. Vous comprenez? So, pour nous mettre dans la caille là. Après ça, on passe quelques côtés encore pour nous bien passer. Vous comprenez? So, c'est ça. So, j'aime du nom, sur nouveau, abonné et puis subscribe. Vous comprenez? On faut aller et puis nous avons une belle sinon dans là, Josie. Say hi, Josie.
Hi guys.
Belle sinon dans là. Okay guys, so aujourd'hui dans le store, so dans 5 clubs, on vient acheter de l'eau. So, même j'aime tout du métal là. So, nous venons acheter un pile manger, pile bagaille. So, c'est ça. On va la avec. Okay? It'll be nice. Right, Steven? Yeah, Steven here. First time Steven come here, right?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So, I can parler. C'est ça vraiment.
The costume.
Costume, what?
Because next year, I think it's gonna be all Halloween. Can you get one of those chairs?
Which one? You know what? Let's get back to what the
No,
first.
I'll show you something that I wanted.
Huh?
I'll show you something that I wanted.
What? Show me.
It's that.
Yeah, all of us want to buy.
Because I have the
stuff.
mini cards. So mini for Steven.
is
I can't wait to see what we get. There's even icy. Icebreakers. The mini cracker. The crackers animal cracker.
Mini poop?
Yeah, I liked it.
Well, what is it, Emma? Let me see. So what you gonna do with this thing?
So we have these cards. So if we can get something, and we can like make pretend we're like a shopping, and then we put them in like little mini cards.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Steven, where are you?
Where's Steven? Steven! Yeah, Steven had two rough and parler then. He got some bottom women in the store. Come on, man.
You.
Ma flash, I'll mash the bucket here. Here's your boy. Let's go.
Okay. I want to get a toy too.
For what?
I'll show you. Come.
So, mini bands. No, mini bands. Right?
Yeah. Wait. We have this in the fridge.
Which one?
Oh my gosh, we got. Finally, I've been looking for Series 3.
What?
I've been looking for Series 3.
Really? Okay. Alright, let's go now.
Okay, where's Steven again?
I don't know where to go.
Just keep leaving.
Steven, where are you?
Baby, what is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's like a remote and you can control it with the car.
Really?
Yes, I've always wanted one. I always wanted one of these.
One of these?
Yes, I always wanted a car for controller. Oh, gold. This one's the legendary one. What legendary? This one and this one and that one. That's why I didn't notice they were gold. Why you got two? Because I got two.
She got two. I don't know why, Steven. She got two for.
Because Steven has it. Maybe she's trying to get lucky to get one legendary. Yeah, that's right.
Legendary. Lucky. Crazy, Steven. Come on, let's go.
You're crazy.
Little crazy boy.
Yeah, you are. You're crazy.
Okay, guys. So, you FM paling apil lah ni. FM paling apil. Watch me to buy nonsense.
I can't wait to open my new toy. Wait to open mine.
Really?
Me too. I left the cards in my mini backpack, so I met the cards in my mini backpack, so I could wait until I get these. Now I finally got them.
You never told me what it is.
It was mini brand.
Mini brand. What do you have inside?
Okay, when you open this zipper right here, open, and then there's like, when you open it up, you can pick one and open it, and then you see mini of this inside.
Interesting. Okay, so alright guys, so finished the tours.
No, it's ruined.
Steven, can you tell me what is that?
It's like a
Your toy.
remote. It's a superhero. It's a Marvel superhero adventure. I saw those on YouTube. Yeah, it can spin and it'll do a wheelie.
Really?
I saw the ace. Wait.
This is for 3 months. Oh, you're not 3 months.
Yeah.
3 plus.
I still like it. So. Steven is a fan of Spider-Man, right, Steven?
Spider-Man? Yeah. Not really. Come on, let's go.
So hopefully it was too boring.
Okay guys, so ouais, et puis même dans store avec Simon Zao, c'est tête chargée. Oh man, you know, every time I come to the store, they make me spend a lot of money, man. A lot of money. I don't know what to do with these kids, man. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. So, Steven, you want too much.
What? Don't keep running.
Stop running, little boy.
No, you little boy.
Yeah, little boy.
There's still more cloth of water.
What?
There's still more cloth of water.
What? Okay, now, guys, my wife wants to go up to Miala. Buy Aquafina. So, can you hold one? You can?
Oh, yeah.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Alright, so hold the camera. Let me get the water. Okay. One. Oh, heavy, right?
Heavy?
That's 4, right?
This is not heavy. What?
Crazy boy. Okay. Whew. I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
A 6-pack.
Hmm?
I thought you had a 6-pack. No, you only have 1 pack. Cause I saw it. You only have a 4-pack. You only have a 4-pack.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Water. Right, Titi?
Yeah. I only have a 4-pack.
Okay. Alright. Sweet. This?
But I saw the 6-pack.
Right? Okay, guys, so on prend 3 de l'eau et puis on va acheter jus. Après jus, tout ça, on va acheter encore. On va acheter le bas encore. Vous comprenez? Okay, so let's go. Look at Steven. I don't know what he's doing here. Little Steven. Come on.
I got my own wallet.
Hmm?
I got my own wallet, guys.
Your own wallet. It's just empty.
No. It has money.
Money. Oh. You got $1.
Because you didn't earn any other dollars yet.
Really?
Yeah, I've been waiting.
Okay. So, ano, G-Max. Nandiyan G-Max déjà, ginagawa sa G-Max. Nandiyan G-Max déjà. Ano sa ako mo? Ito lang G-Max ang pala. So, this is apple juice for Brian. Apple juice for Brian. See? Ah, you have one?
Yeah. Can you get one for me?
For you?
Yes. Steven, no. I like it.
Take it.
Yeah, if you can.
Come, take it.
Yeah, if you can pick it up.
Pick it up. Let's see.
Yeah. Ha, he, ha, he, ho.
Ah, good boy.
Good luck, Steven. He, ha, ha. Yeah, this one's for us.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So, what next? Come on, move. Over. Hmm?